as promised, I hit 100 subscribers just yesterday. That's a big accomplishment for me because I've only been posting for a couple months and I'm pretty happy about that. So, the 100 subscriber special that I'm doing, I don't know, I just felt like I had an obligation to do it for you guys. Is that I will be posting a video on any topic of your choosing that I can cover, of course. So calculus 1, 2, 3, a good bit of differential equations. What else? General chemistry. Let's list them all. Actually, let's list them all. Let's see. So I can cover mechanics for physics. So mechanics. I can cover the calc series. I can cover a little bit of diffie-q because I'm going to take that next semester. And I can cover, I don't know, all high school math. Doesn't matter. Algebra, high school math. But I'm guessing most of you guys don't take high school math because most of my videos are calculus 3. I can cover anything related to circuits. So I can do circuit analysis for most things. Analysis. And what else is there? Gen Chem 1. So I can cover anything related to Gen Chem 1. So just leave it down in the comment section. Just leave down your topic. If you have anything more specific, like I don't know, maybe I won't click on any links, of course, because that's like a cybersecurity risk. But if you have anything, name a topic. I'll make a video on it, and I'll respond to your comment with the video link. As always, thank you guys for this big milestone of mine. Hopefully the next shot is 1,000, and I don't know, it's a big goal, but by the end of the summer, I'm going to be posting, 2 to 3 videos a day. So hopefully by the end of the summer, I can get 1,000. That's the longest shot I could reach for. Thank you guys, as always.